Hello, I'm ANEKA from Made to Sew, and welcome to this What Is tutorial where I'm going to be discussing the term dart manipulation. Now, if you don't understand what the word darts means, what they are, the terminology involved with them, and why they're used on garments, then please do watch my What Is Dart tutorial. So, dart manipulation is a way that you can move darts around a pattern, be that a sloper or block, or a pattern that you like to work with. And you can move the darts around the pattern in order to change the style lines or the design of the garment. If you're just changing the style or design of the garment, you won't be amending the fit. However, you can also use dart manipulation to solve certain fitting issues. Perhaps a gaping neckline or a gaping armhole. You may be able to use dart manipulation to solve those issues. Now, with dart manipulation, you're moving a dart from one location to another location on the pattern. And by doing this, you're changing the design of the garment. Now, obviously, as the designer, you need to decide on where you want to move the dart. But you can also think about whether you want to have a dart in the new location, or whether you want to have a term that is called a dart equivalent. Now, a dart equivalent is another way of using that dart volume. So rather than sewing a dart, you could have pleats, you could have gathers, you could have tucks, or you could even have something like a cow neck, like I've got here. This top was created using dart manipulation. The darts were sent to the center front, and then they weren't sewn, leaving this volume of fabric here. Same with the dress behind me. You'll see that there are pleats at the neckline and pleats at the waist. The darts were sent to these areas to give the design lines that I wanted to achieve of pleats in different asymmetrical locations. Another option is to manipulate your darts into seams, such as the princess seam. If you would like to try your hand at drafting a princess seam, then please watch my princess seam drafting tutorial. Join me on Sunday and I will show you how to manipulate your darts to a different location on your pattern. Thanks for watching and see you soon.